All right, not too stinking bad, man. And I'm positive probably could have got better than that. That's what I'm guessing. I'm guessing I definitely probably could have got better than that. Man, why is the park? Oh, it closes at 3. That's right. All right. Well, I just want to set stuff up, get rid of the GNS, get that out of there, turn off. Okay. And then just jump on the quick thing here. And we're not got cracked. I've got little black. That's the one I've got right now. So that's the one that's right here. Oh, we got the wrong camera? Ah, it's that one. I connected to the wrong camera. How did I do that? Which one is this one? I thought that was little black. Little black, cracked, little, oh, I got 2 little blacks? That's weird. Somehow I've got 2 little blacks. Yeah, there we go. So that was actually, that was mint. It was wicked cold out. That feels like 19 degrees was total 100%. It wasn't feel like 19 degrees, it was 19 degrees, man. Got Jaguar washed up, but all salt and sand. So you go through a car wash, you literally just get your car like salted and sanded. Okay. Time to rip out. This is literally all salt, man. What the heck? That doesn't make any sense to me. Just in general, just the weather, like all the water droplets froze to the car, obviously. But I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and hit McDonald's. I'm kind of hungry. I haven't had a dollar menu thing for a long time. If they even have that. Do they even have a dollar menu anymore? That was like way back when. So anyways, it's RC Garage. And the Typhon got 68 on Hoons. It could probably go faster. I gotta figure out my gearing. So it's actually been a wicked long time since I've been at McDonald's here. I don't even know what's on the menu. I hope they have a dollar menu because it's all I want to spend. I only want to spend like a couple bucks. I'm not looking to spend like 12 bucks on stupid McDonald's. So Jaguar had given me a low coolant, and that is why I have intermittent heat. So that must mean low coolant. That must mean it's low. The temperature on the gauge looks mint. So let's see what we got here. See if they even got a dollar menu. I don't even know.
Hello, can I get for you?
I can't see anything on the menu. It just lists somebody else's order.
Oh, sorry.
Does that thing like refresh to a menu? I just want to get like a quarter pounder with cheese and a medium fry.
Anything else?
That's it.
Turn this will be 811 at your second window.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Dude, I didn't even know what to buy. The menu was all screwed up. It was just showing somebody else's order, so I have no idea what to buy. I didn't even see if there was a dollar menu. Crap. Probably just blew like 10 bucks on stupid McDonald's. Ah, what a disaster. I should put the camera this way. Watch, there'll be a consent thing. They ain't gonna care. Yeah, I don't consent. Crap, I don't even know how much it was. But like I was saying, Jaguar, it was just having a heat issue only because I'm low on coolant. And they said second window, so I guess the first window's broken? Yeah, there's nobody even at that window. I don't order stuff. Like, I mean, holy crap, I don't even think there was a dollar menu anymore. It's probably called the $2 menu now. It's the COVID $5 menu, that's what it is. Gotta laugh, right? I have the camera like turned so you can like hear or see stuff. I don't even know. I'm a very impatient person. That's the one thing that's bad about me, is that I have zero patience. Well, I mean, I do have a certain amount, but I think as I'm getting older now, that patience is definitely dwindling away. Seat heater feels nice. Oh, my legs, my butt, my legs, my back are getting nice and warm right now. Come on. Ah, there we go. Person just paid with cash in front of me. The person like reached out their hand like oddly. What is this? What's this green stuff with numbers on it? They're called dollar bills. Actually, it looked like 20s. It's the $20 menu. Oh man. Uh-oh. That person's order's screwed up. They just handed stuff back. Ah, why me, man? Literally, they handed stuff out and it like immediately went back. Crap. Man, my mouth is actually watering. Like I said, I haven't had McDonald's in a long time. Couldn't even see the stinking menu. It like flashed for like, I don't know, like 3 seconds, and then it just went to the other person's order. There we go. Looks like they're getting their order now, but they're on the phone. Yeah, there we go. All right, my turn.
Quarter pounder medium fry?
Yep, that's it. Thank you.
Quarter pounder fry.
Awesome, thank you. That was it. All right, so I'm about to rip into some fries. That's a medium? That's a COVID medium. I should have asked for salt. So bad for you, but also at the same time, good stuff. Oh, they give you napkins still. Check that out. Gave me like 5 napkins. Must have known I was gonna make a mess. Well, you don't need to see me eat. I'm just gonna end up making a mess anyway, so. So anyways, it's SKYRC, and I haven't had McDonald's in a long time. I'm out. I'm ripping into a quarter pounder with cheese and a medium fry. What are you doing? You know one thing that I was thinking? While I'm trying to like navigate, eat this thing, and not wear it, is that couple of things. I wonder, has anybody eaten McDonald's in this car before? When I cleaned it out, I didn't find any like French fries under the seats. And then like, I know why they gave me 5 napkins. I think because they knew I was gonna need all 5 of them. Ah! Stuff in my face here before I get home. Well, I was just thinking about that, you know? And then I also thought, as I'm stuffing my face there, not supposed to talk with your mouth full. You guys really can't see it anyway. But I was thinking, the title of this, RC Guy Garage Does the Nasty. And I think literally that's what I'm gonna title it. RC Guy Garage Does the Nasty. And it's a play on words, but it's not, because I just ate McDonald's. I just did the nasty. Last bite. Last bite of fries. Do you ever hope that by the time you're done with your meal, that there's one fry in the bottom of the bag? There ain't nothing. Damn it! Remember when I was a kid, like that was like the bonus. You'd get the bag. Like everybody would take what they took. The bag would get passed to you. Inside the bag, there would usually be remnants of other people's fries. Anyways, this is RC Guy Garage, and I did the nasty. I ate at the Golden Arches. And that's what I call doing the nasty, because right now, I'm already burping. I gotta go inside. I've got so much footage right now. I'm gonna go inside, gonna flush my mouth out with hot water and brush my teeth and get all this nasty out of here. So anyways, when was the last time you had McDonald's? And then like that whole thing, has McDonald's ever been in your car? Technically, it's been in this car. So anyways, I'm out. What are you doing? And no stinking way. So as I go to like grab stuff, check it out. One last fry. One last fry. What did I just say? This thing is performance. Yeah, this thing is performance. Wow, I can actually tell.